I believe that all of us as Black people should be Pan-Africanists. Why? Because it is true that Africa's priority right now should be decolonization. Africa's independence, you see, has not even lasted 1 century, which means that the wounds are still fresh. The typical African today is still colonized, at least mentally. The Black man today is still ashamed of the color of his skin. Our women are still ashamed of the look and texture of their hair. We don't speak our languages because they don't sound civilized. We hate our food. We detest our fashion. We are irritated by the spirituality of our ancestors because we have been colonized. And that, my brothers and sisters, is dangerous. To continue this way is to eventually lose ourselves totally. That is why I firmly believe that we all should be Pan-Africanists. Every African must think Africa. In fact, right now, the interest and focus of all African agents of influence and socialization should be decolonial. And this is a sacred obligation for everyone who carries melanin. The Black man's mind must be freed. Then, and only then, can we refer to ourselves as dignified human beings. Washiri.